Hi, I'm Yu Heng. Well, keyboard shortcuts help you save time and make life easier when using your computer, and then can be just useful in your life. So, coming up, I will show you 10 keyboard shortcuts that can be used the Windows computer. First, sometimes maybe you have a few programs open at the same time, and you need easily to keep those programs. Press the alternate key plus tab key at the same time, and then you keep pressing the tab key until you find the program that you want, and then give up the both key, and then it will be the first shortcut keyboard. After that, the second keyboard shortcut will be Windows key plus D letters. If you are in a program and you wait to see your desktop, you can press Windows key plus letter D simultaneously will minimize any folder that on the screen at this time. Afterward, if you simply want to change the name of the folder without your mouse, you can use your arrow keys to move over the file, then click the F2 to rename the file. Next, let's say you want to listen some songs in YouTube when you are busy to working on other project or assignment. So just stay in YouTube windows and pressing the Windows key, and then pressing on the left or right key to snap select window into half of the screen, and using the same move to move the other windows for sharing screen. At this time, if you want to take a quick screenshot of the active windows, click the keyboard shortcut alternate key plus print screen. It will snap your currently active windows and copy the screenshot to the clipboard, and just paste into your favorite editing program. Other than that, if you want to open setting menu, pressing the Windows key plus I key will straight open the setting menu without using mouse. Then, if you want to quickly make a copy of a file without using Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste, actually you can using your mouse highlight the file and hold down the Ctrl keys and drag down the file over. Next, everyone knows that using the backspace key will delete one character at a time. If you want more useful, hold down the control key and then tapping the backspace key will delete entire words and delete the sentences and paragraph quicker without using a mouse. Next, if you want to open the File Explorer, you can using keyboard shortcut without your mouse, pressing the Windows key plus E key to open the File Explorer easily and save your time. At last, to open the Start menu, hold down the Windows key. Most of you know that, but to open the hidden quick link menu, the Windows key plus X will give you a look at the old Start menu from previous Windows operating system.